Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do weekly setup for my Alicia Souza planner. I put stickers mostly only in my Alicia Souza planner because this is my creativity journal. So I love putting stickers. So let's start with our February. This is how I've set up February. If you've not seen my setup video, I'll highly urge for you to go and see that. I will put the link in the description box below and also in the I button above. So please do watch it. This is how my calendar looks. And as you guys already know, I'm filming this on the 3rd. So this page is pretty much filled up. But I still have some places here and I do not want to not put in some stickers. So what I will do is I've printed out some custom stickers. You guys already know about it. I'm just going to use these very minimal few stickers for this journal because this journal is almost completely filled out. So I'm just going to figure out what will go where. Oh, I think this looks cute. Let's stick them all. I wanted an opinion from you guys. I was planning to do a Q&A video on planner and planner accessories and a lot of other things. I'm not sure what. So I'll be eternally grateful if you could put in what kind of questions that you guys have below this video. And I'll try my best to answer them. So in the future, when I'm doing such plan with me's, I think I will talk through your questions as well. That should be an interesting thing. I think this spread is done. So as you see, I write a lot. So the stickers have to be absolutely minimum so that I have the space to write as much as I want. I've stopped putting my YouTube to-do list also here because I needed the space. Wow, this week is for 14th of February. So I want to do a very cozy pink theme here. Let's see what do we have. I think the first step obviously is going to be the leftover stickers from the Tall Elephant sticker book. I think there are quite a few. So I've marked my Valentine's Day. I'm just putting a few accessories here and there. These really tiny stickers. Yeah, so I'm pretty much done with the Valentine's stickers. This is a ring. I'm not going to use it. It is too cheesy. So I'm not going to use any more stickers from here. I have to figure out if some other sticker books of mine have some kind of Valentine Day theme. I'm checking the ultimate sticker book first. This is the Space and Beauty sticker book from 2021. Oh wow, this is really nice. The Space and Beauty sticker book is really annoying. The quality is really bad. I don't know if it is just me or it's everyone else. As you can see, taking out stickers is super difficult, but the designs are so pretty. Let me know what is you guys' experience with the Space and Beauty 2021 sticker book, and how is the Space and Beauty 2022 sticker book, because if you see, designs are so very nice, so I don't mind the trouble, but somewhere down the line I see it's not really worth so much of an effort. Oh, this is such a nice cupcake. I'll use it on a birthday. Oh, this is such a cute heart. So as I said, the designs are really great, but the quality is really bad. And in the Space and Beauty, I found this really cute circle stickers as well. I'm just overdoing this spread with stickers, but it looks really nice. I think I'm going to stop there. This looks such a pretty spread. It'll be lovely to write in this. Okay, I have no plans for this page, but there is one thing that I will definitely like to do is these cute winter animals that I have. They are damn cute and I want to use them before summer arrives in Bombay. So again, these are my custom stickers, so I just want to use them. So I think that's it. This will be a minimal spread, but I don't really mind that. I just took this winter animals from the internet and put it up on Canva. I have shot my video for custom stickers. It got corrupted, so that video may not happen. I've sent my hard disk for recovery, so I'm hoping it may get recovered. I don't know for sure. So that is the reason you guys never saw the custom stickers video. and I could never reshoot the custom stickers video because I had already cut the stickers, I had already started using the stickers, so that video never could be reshot. So that's the reason. I don't know what to do, but yeah, that is what happened. Wow, this spread actually looks nice, if I may say so myself. But wow, this is the last week. It is a shorter month, so of course this will be the last week. I am not sure what to do here. So whenever I'm unsure, I always look to my antiquarian sticker book. I have picked out this sticker from the antiquarian sticker book, and I think it is the perfect sticker for the month of love. So I'm just going to put it here and then figure out what should be the other surroundings that I should put in. So this is so cute. I don't mind going with mushrooms because this is like a mushroomy picture, obviously. So I don't mind if other things are mushrooms. Let's see what can we find. Sometimes it's so easy to get inspiration and sometimes you're just confused in this book. So it's a two-way sword. Sorry, this is, I'm not sure. Wow, I think this should be in one of the Women's Day spreads. Oh, this is so pretty. I think the mushroom spread is somewhere right at the back. Oh, this is also very nice. We can do a vintage theme. The reason that I'm not doing a vintage theme is essentially there are so many stickers to choose from this book. That is the reason I'm slightly intimidated. I think these stickers will also go. These shells actually look nice. Will they go nice? I think so. Let's try using them. Oh wow, this is looking not bad. Oh, I'm in love with these shells. That is what I said, right? Sometimes the inspiration is right there and sometimes it takes a lot of while. We'll need this more of these shells. I think I saw one here, right here. See? So these are abstract shells. These are not like actual shells. And I'm not putting too much here. I think one or two little flowers will do. Oh, I think that's it. A little jellyfish here and this spread should be done. Oh wow, this has come out so nice. I think that is it. This is the end of the month. I'll do a quick flip through of all the weeks. This is week 1. The theme essential is warm cozy drinks. Again, winter. You guys know I love winters. Then you have a nice Valentine theme spread. I actually really love how this spread is turned out. Now then we have the little cute winter animals. And the wine and cheese also goes pretty well with this theme. Then you have the cute little children as well as the shell theme. I really like it how we are completely switching from winters in this page to a complete tropical vibe here, but I'm not complaining, it looks nice. And then I think that's it. This is how this month's setup is going to be. If you watched this video so far, I'm so grateful for you. See you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye now.